if you're a solar roofing professional, business owner, salesperson, you're gonna watch this video because I'm gonna be showing you the AI growth system that generates 15 to 20 appointments automatically for you using AI agents that will call and generate leads for you. All right, so let me make myself smaller. This is gonna be the system. All right, so for every successful sales company, there's gonna be 3 different components that it's gonna have. So you're gonna generate leads, you're going to book the appointments, and then you're going to close the appointments. Okay, so this is how the AI agents can basically manage all of this for you. So first part is generating leads. So there's 4 main ways to generate leads for your business. So the first one is the paid ads. Okay, you leverage capital. Typically you hire an ads guy, but with us, we're going to be integrating everything. Okay, and then you use Facebook and IG ads. So these are going to be the best ads for roofing and solar companies. All right, so next one is H data. So these are people that either express interest in solar or roofing within the past 20, 30, 60, 90, up to 180 days. So we can use this because this is affordable and you can buy them cheap. Okay, and the AI can call all these people for you. All right, so next one is your current leads. So you probably have a list of leads that you either didn't talk to, or maybe you ran the credit and it wasn't a good credit. So maybe now they fix their credit and everything. So the AI can call everything for you. So and then the next one is the organic content part. We can also set that up for you. All right. So use social media for that. So the AI agents can manage all of this and generate all the leads for you. Okay. So that way you can find your ideal customer from thousands of leads. Okay. So the next part of the process is booking the appointments. Okay. So like I said, the AI agent will call and text the leads for you. So these AI agents can call thousands of leads per minute. Okay. It's something crazy. So no person can handle that much volume as an AI agent. Okay. So first, we generate the leads. You can get hundreds, thousands of leads. The AI can call them without problem. Okay, so it'll call and text the leads, follows up with the leads. So basically, after it calls once, you can call them twice. So we put them in a sequence that if they don't answer the phone, it'll call the next day and the next day. So it'll do the follow up for you without fail. Because sometimes, as a salesman, you try to follow up, but then, life gets in the way. So you typically never follow up with the lead. So this system will do it for you automatically. All right. So the AI nurtures and qualifies. So it'll send the information about your company and everything like that. And then it'll qualify them, meaning that it'll check that they have good credit, that the house qualifies, obviously, for either the solar or the roofing. And then that it has all the information necessary, basically. So if the lead is qualified, it'll book in the calendar. So this is where the magic happens typically. So it'll either send them a link or it'll automatically book them in the calendar for you. So it'll book them in the calendar for you. That way, the next day you wake up with new appointments that the AI sets for you, and then it sends appointment reminders. So this is the closing section. Sends appointment reminders, so this is important. So it'll send appointments reminders 24 hours, 12 hours, and an hour before the appointments. And then if the appointment doesn't show, it'll follow up to reschedule, okay, automatically. If the appointment shows, you get into the sales call. So this is where you do your magic. You typically convince the customer. All right. So if the sale closes, you sign the documents and you begin the installation processes. Okay. So this is how the AI appointment setters and agents can benefit your business. So let me show you real quick how an AI agent does the job. So okay, I'm gonna trigger a call so that the AI appointment setter can call me. All right, and you can see how it works. So as you can see, it's calling me, all right, from a local number. Hello?
Hey there, this is Lisa calling from Blue Solar. I'm following up on your request for info about solar energy for your home. Is this Jay Salazar?
Yes, it is.
Awesome. So to get started, can you tell me about your average monthly electricity bill?
Average monthly bill is about $250.
Got it. Has your electricity bill been creeping up over the past few years?
Yeah, it's been increasing, yeah.
I hear you. That can be frustrating. I have your address as 723 John Young Street. Is that a property you own or rent?
Yeah, I own the home, yes.
Nice. How long have you owned the property?
About 3 years.
Nope. Cool, thanks. So what's your main interest in exploring solar for your home? Like, are you looking for cost savings, environmental impact, or something else?
Probably the cost. Yeah, the cost is the most important thing for me.
Got it. Saving some cash is always a win. Based on what you've shared, I think solar could be a great fit for you. I'd like to schedule a chat with our solar expert who can give you a custom analysis. How does that sound? I have 2 time slots, one in the next 24 hours and another in 48 hours. Which one works for you?
I think tomorrow.
Perfect. How about 2 p.m. tomorrow? Does that work for you?
Yeah, 2 p.m. is fine.
Awesome. I've got you down for tomorrow at 2 p.m. You'll meet with our solar expert, and they'll need about 45 minutes to go over everything. Can you confirm that works for you?
Yeah, it should work for me. Yeah.
Great. I'll send you a confirmation email with all the details. Can you verify your email address for me?
Yeah, it's jsalazar@gmail.com.
Thanks, Jay. And I have your phone number as 40772933437, right?
That's correct.
Awesome. Thanks for confirming. Just a quick heads up. Please have a recent electricity bill handy for your consultation. Do you have any questions before we wrap up?
No, not right now.
Cool. Thanks for your time, Jay. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow at 2 p.m. Have a great day.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
So as you can see, guys, so the AI automatically called me. All right. She made sure it was me. She made sure I was paying the electric bill over $100. And she made sure of all my information. So basically the phone number, the address, the email, everything else. Okay. And then she booked me into an appointment. So she asked me the time. I agreed to the time and she booked the appointment. So this is how you can benefit from it. You can literally call thousands of leads per day and you're going to get appointments from it. Okay. So I'm going to show you these possible results that you can get from it. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this real quick. Okay, so this is how the AI can benefit you by giving you appointments. Okay, so let's be conservative here and let's say the AI can give you 20 extra appointments per month, right? So I'm gonna be conservative. So 20 appointments per month. Let's say you make 20K. I'm talking about revenue per deal. Okay. So 20K per deal. So let's say you make 25% profit on the deal. And let's say you close about 20%. So you close about 4 deals out of those 20 appointments. Okay. So this is going to be 4 new customers per month. Okay. 80,000 monthly revenue with an extra 20,000 profit. Okay. So per year, the AI is going to bring you 48 new customers, 960,000 revenue, and about 240,000 profit. Okay, so I'm being conservative here with the numbers, with the appointments. Let's be even more conservative. Let's say it can give you 15 new appointments, right? And then let's say the profit margin instead of 25 is 20%. Okay, close rate, it should be 20%. but let's say you're doing 15%. Okay, so it'll give you at least 2 new customers per month. Okay, with a new monthly revenue of 40,000, monthly profit of 8,000. Okay, 24 new customers per year, 480,000 revenue, 96,000 profit extra that it's going to add for you without you doing nothing, basically, without having to hire a new salesman or appointment setter that you're going to have to pay either weekly or by hour, or you're going to have to give them some commission. Okay, and then if you're a salesman and you make like 5K per deal, either if it's solar, roofing, whatever, and you get like 50 new appointments per month, your profit margin changes. Let's say 70%, you got to pay some taxes. Let's say 60%, right? And you close like 20% of a close rate. You're going to get at least 3 new customers per month. Okay? So 15K in commission. Out of that, you're going to keep 9,000. Okay? And over the years, it's going to be 36 new customers, 180,000 commission, and 100,000 extra of the commission that you can keep. Okay? So this is some of the results that you can benefit from with the AI agent. Okay, so keep in mind the AI agents is something that is gonna be present in the future in every industry, not only solar, roofing, or the home services space. It's gonna be everywhere. It's gonna be from dental, lawyers, and stuff like that. So everybody's gonna have to benefit from it. Okay, so this is the future. So if you don't make, or if you don't do anything now, you're gonna be thinking about it in the future. So it's better to do it now, okay, and then benefit from basically the technology that is changing the world. Okay, so the next steps will be checking if you can book a call with me. Okay, I'll be showing you exactly how I can benefit your business in a more detailed way. Okay, and then we can go from there. So if you watch this video till the end, I usually, when people get in a call with me, I ask them a code word. Okay, so the code word is going to be blue. Okay, so if you watch the video till the end, use the code word blue whenever we get on the call. Okay, book a call below, and we'll talk more. All right, so that was all. I hope you saw value in it, and if you like the idea and you potentially want a partner, book a call below. Okay, so peace.